If you've got Parkinson's, you have to do this before you go down any other route. Josh Chudnovsky, and I was diagnosed at 35 years old. So things didn't really change much at first. I was doing stand-up comedy daily as a profession, and I was a computer programmer. And then as time went on, those things became impossible to do. So when I'm on stage, the adrenaline caused so much shaking that I couldn't bear to be on stage. And then with the mouse, lost my mouse hand, couldn't really use a mouse, moved it over to the left hand. Typing became harder and harder. So slowly but surely, my dignity and my ability to, my identity was being taken from me with this disease. So just as a complete coincidence, I was in Vegas to play my first World Series of Poker. We have a friend who's used to be the president of Universal Pictures. We went to meet him. We drove halfway to California. They met us halfway. And he is now on the board of many brain health companies. And when he saw the condition I was in, he pointed me to Mary Kay at the Brain Health Research Institute. And she pointed me here. So I got really lucky. I didn't hear about this place through any advertising. I don't want to exaggerate too much, but I feel like you guys saved my life. So when I got here, I was in serious pain from the tremors. My leg wouldn't give me any relief. Like I was constantly just in this weird psychological state. I couldn't walk, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't do anything. Pretty big depression. And within a week and a half, that had already turned around significantly. So the pain went away, I was sleeping better. Now 6 weeks in, I'm walking, I can walk anywhere, I have my balance back. That's another thing, my balance was gone. I couldn't stand in one place for more than half a second. So yeah, just in 6 short weeks, I've got my balance back. I got good enough gait to walk to and from, for example, from here to the SkyTrain, and I can golf again. I can sleep. I can make my dog's breakfast, dinner. I couldn't even do that. So yeah, my life has completely changed. Yeah, for sure. It was like my priorities of things I was hoping to get addressed here was the pain, and then walking, and then balance, for example. So with the pain being addressed, the depression went away, and so that's so we've hit that first goal. We've hit the other 2 goals, and now we can add new goals, such as like actually becoming fully functional, which I think we'll get to, in 8 weeks or maybe more. I've already been recommending the PONS treatment to others and to anybody who can figure out a way to get here. I think you got to come. If you've got Parkinson's, you have to do this before you go down any other route. I was completely against cutting my head open with DBS or any other kind of invasive technology. So to know that this simple neuroplasticity trick exists, to me, makes this your number 1 choice. You got to start with this before you move on to something else, if you can afford it, obviously.